It's been a minute, but we're gonna do an updated like skincare and foundation routine. It's gonna be super simple and quick, so let's just go ahead and get to this then. So I've been investing a little bit more into my clients and doing like a lot of styled shoots lately, so which I have a lot more coming, that's why I say lately. But so as of right now, I had to greatly downscale my skincare because I could definitely not afford Tatcha anymore. So I went with the Clean and Clear Deep Action Exfoliating Scrub, and the reason I got this was because when I went to LA, I forgot my cleanser and like my skin had been breaking out. This is from eating bad, not because I have acne, it's just from eating terribly. But I was breaking out. I was like having these rashes from laying in the sun through the window. It was like so weird. So my husband's cousin was like, I have, you know, this in the shower. I was like, okay. So I washed my face. It was gone literally in like 3 minutes. So I added this back to my skincare routine like 3 times a week, and my forehead is a lot clearer. Like I only have a few bumps left, like right here and right here, but I used to be like full, completely full of these bumps, but this has helped so much. Next is Skin Fix Barrier Plus. This is a lipid peptide cream. I really like this. It is a clean product from Sephora. It's 50 bucks, and I used to use the Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream, and that one was 65, and I can't afford that anymore. So I had to at least save a little bit money but still stay clean in my moisturizer especially. So yeah, had to go with this one. It's still really good. So it squeezes out like this, which is actually a lot more hygienic, especially if you have clients and you want to use this on your clients, then it's really good for them because you can sanitize the top. So that is it for my skincare routine. It is super basic. If you want to add serums, I definitely recommend the vitamin C serum from Sephora because it has just the right amount of concentrate in the serum that it's not gonna overbuild your skin texture or anything like that. So, and it's only 20 bucks. And it's clean by Sephora. Anyways, moving on to the foundation. Right now I am using the Micro Silk foundation from Elcie Cosmetics. And I am using 2 shades. And this is in Sand and Vanilla. And the reason I'm mixing these is because this one, Sand, has like a very pink undertone and this one's very yellow. So I'm literally like in between the two, right? I'm gonna take this and put some here. I always use more of the lighter one just because like I'm afraid to be too dark. Kind of like mix this together. I'm gonna use my Duo Fiber brush and just swirl this all over. Literally like a canvas. Be right back. I'm going to wash my sponge. Forgot. Now I'm going to pat this all in. Next, lately I have been using the MAC Studio Fix Conceal and Correct palette, and I use this peach corrector first. My finger, and I just pat this on. And just instantly fixes that darkness right there. Next, I'm going to use my Born to Glow NYX concealer in the shade Light Ivory. And I put this in all of my usual places. And lately I've been using this MAC 270S brush to like blend everything out. And just kind of like stamp it in. And of course we know that I all use the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Setting Powder. This is in the shade Cupcake. So I have my Morphe E41 brush and my Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Finish Powder in the shade 2. And I'm going to swirl this on, knocking that setting powder off. This sets the rest of the foundation that I did not set with the Huda powder. And for under the eyes, I'm gonna go like this, squeeze my brush, and tap this in. Just so it doesn't look like gritty afterwards, because I find when you swipe powder off, it looks like dirty underneath the eye. So this is what you do to get like that really smooth underneath your eyes and for your pores and all of that. So I'm gonna do my eyebrows real quick and I will be right back. Like Glamzilla says, is this really a major moment? How major really is it? Let's find out. Oh my God, this is major. I love her. She's so funny. I wish I could be that funny. I'm not that funny, you know. I'm really not. The Elcie setting powder in tan. What's next? Oh yes. So lately I have been using the Elcie setting powder in tan. This is what it looks like on the inside. This pan is literally the size of my palm. Like, okay, more product. So next I'm gonna take this brush and just kind of go like that. And this, for me, in my skin tone, gives like this really nice, natural, bronzy, glowy tan, real tan color. And so for blush lately, I've been using the KKW Beauty Classic Blossom palette in the shade Blossom. And I go right on my cheeks. Next I have the Golden Hour palette from Lorac Cosmetics, and I'm going to use this shade Saint Lucia. And I leave this area matte. So this is gonna be a pretty simple eyeshadow look. So I'm gonna go in with the Supreme Nudes are from Artist Couture. If I can open it. I'm gonna go in with Exposed and Stripped. Pat this on my lid. Now I'm going to use Transcend. And I'm doing this all over my brow bone and coming out and over the side of my eyebrow temple area. And I'm just coming straight out. Same over here. And I'm gonna go underneath my eye socket, kind of. My eyeball. Now I'm gonna take Aesthetic, which is a rich red brown. And I'm just placing this in my crease and bringing that straight out. So next is some brown eyeliner. So I'm gonna take the Sephora eyeliner. Now I'm gonna do my lash line and just do like a really basic liner. This smudger from Sonia K, I forget how to say the last name, but it's from Target. I love it. This is the best smudger ever. I'll go in here before it dries. And then I bring out the liner. Then I go over the lash line. To the other side, and I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. And look at these lashes. Thank you, House of Lashes and Patrick Ta, for making one of my favorite lashes of all time. Thank you very much. Okay, so next I'm going in with She's Strong from the Patrick Ta line. This is a lip crown. I'm gonna line the lips. I'm going in with the Patrick Ta Silky Lip Cream in the shade She's Independent. It smells like mint and chapstick. And it's so moisturizing for my lips. That's why I chose to use it today. It's gonna die. Okay, so this is the Marc Jacobs lip gloss in the shade I don't know, so just put it here. Look at that shine. Okay, I will be right back. I'm gonna do my hair and change my shirt, and I'll be back. Okay, you guys. look at this hair. I'm so proud of myself. Like full on Ariana Grande moment, J-Lo, Kim Kardashian, whatever you want to call it. Like I'm literally so proud of this hair. Except for my sideburns because they're crazy. But I'm just so proud. Do you guys want to know how I tied this right here? I tied this with a rubber band. I'm just gonna do it. I know I'm gonna rip my hair out later, but that's okay. That's okay. I'll rip my hair out for you guys because this is cute. Like I'm gonna have to sleep like this. Okay, so that brings today's tutorial to a zippity-zoo-dah close. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys enjoyed me being back on YouTube, and hopefully we can get it right this time. I need y'all's help. So if you have any recommendations for tutorials, let me know in the comments down below. You can always send me a DM on Instagram if you have any ideas. So I'm totally open to that. You guys let me know because I am creating this content for you guys and with you guys. So yeah, I hope you like it. I hope you like the products. I hope you like this snatched rubber band hair. Anyways guys, I'll see you in the next totally relatable tutorial. Bye bye.
Cause you look thirsty, I'ma make it better, slip it like a Slurpee. Look so good, yeah, look so sweet, looking good enough to eat. Coldest with the kiss, so he call me ice cream. Catch me in the fridge, right where the ice be. Look so good, yeah, look so sweet, looking good enough to eat. Coldest with the kiss, so he call me ice cream. You could double dip, cause I know.
Okay, for real this time. Cut. This is the music video. Bye.